Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The photography and videography community is brimming with excitement as the long-awaited Sony Alpha A7V edges closer to its anticipated launch. After months of persistent leaks, insider reports, and mounting speculation, this mirrorless camera is not just shaping up to be an incremental upgrade, it's rapidly being seen as a revolutionary leap forward in Sony's Alpha lineup. Slated for a possible late 2025 or early 2026 debut, the Alpha A7V is set to redefine the mid-tier full-frame mirrorless category, directly targeting powerful competitors like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and Nikon Z6 III. Building on the massive success of the Alpha A7 IV, which offered a stellar 33MP exmor or CMOS sensor, dependable hybrid capabilities, and Sony's iconic autofocus, the Alpha A7V is rumored to push far beyond, with a likely price between $2,799 and $2,999. Key upgrades may include a groundbreaking 42MP backside illuminated stacked sensor, possibly the IMX366, enabling rapid data readout, vastly reduced rolling shutter, and enhanced low-light performance. Even if Sony opts to refine the current 33MP sensor, significant boosts in ISO sensitivity and dynamic range are expected, all powered by the proven Bionz XR engine. More exciting, however, is the expected integration of a dedicated AI coprocessor, similar to the cutting-edge system in the Alpha 9 III, ushering in next-gen autofocus capabilities with ultra-precise subject recognition, improved tracking, and intuitive focus transitions. For video creators, the Alpha A7V is likely to be a true cinematic powerhouse, offering uncropped 4K 120 frames per second recording, 10-bit 4:2:2 color, S-Log3, and S-Cinetone, all with better heat management for extended shoots. Its redesigned body could adopt ergonomic improvements from Sony's pro-level cameras like the A7S III and A9 III, including a deeper grip, upgraded 4-axis articulating touchscreen, enhanced EVF, and 8-stop in-body stabilization, ideal for handheld video and low-light photography. The Alpha A7 V's potential doesn't end with its specs. Sony's strategy is clearly to delay with precision, optimizing every element of the launch to outclass rivals and offer a compelling mix of innovation and value. With the Alpha A7 IV's price recently reduced to around $1,998, it's a strong hint that the 7V is close, and Sony is clearing shelves to make way for its next flagship. For those currently using the Alpha A7 III or contemplating a step up, the Alpha A7V could mark the ideal moment, offering unmatched resolution, smoother performance, and future-proof AI enhancements. However, those on a tighter budget will still find immense value in the Alpha A7 IV. Ultimately, the Alpha A7V stands poised to reshape what's possible in the hybrid camera space, blending pro-level tools with enthusiast accessibility and leveraging Sony's deep E-mount lens ecosystem to cater to all creative disciplines. As we await its official unveiling, one thing is clear: the Sony Alpha A7V isn't just another mirrorless camera. It's potentially a game-changing innovation that could raise the bar for both photography and video production. Are you excited for the Alpha A7V? Drop your thoughts, expectations, and dream features in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for the latest camera news, deep dive reviews, and more cutting-edge content coming your way.